Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. In this video I want to explain example 7 in handling data 5, and it's still dealing with probability. We are told that a group of border collie puppies contained 4 female and 2 males. Female F and male M. A vet randomly removes one from their basket and it is not replaced before another one is chosen. It is not replaced. Very important to note that. Before the second one or before another one is replaced. Draw a tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes. And let's just start from there. We have to collect our data. We have female and male. Female are 4 and male are 2. So in total we have 6. If we are not replacing, because we are not replacing, after the first picking, the total will be 6 minus 1, which will be a 5. We will see that. The question is, draw a tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes. In the first picking, we might pick a male or we might pick a female. The probability of picking a male is 2 out of 6. And the probability of picking a female is 4 out of 6. I hope you remember that if you're dealing with the tree diagrams, the sum of every branch, so long as it is originating from one point, all the branches that originate from one point, they will always add up to 1. Even if there are 3, 4, 5, they will always add up to 1. Here we have 2 branches, and that's why we are having 2 over 6 plus 4 over 6, making us 6 over 6, which is a 1. Just note that. That is the first picking. Second picking, we might continue and have another male, or this time we may have a female, and even we may have a male. This time we may also have another female, if you follow that route. And because we are not replacing, assuming we picked a male, that means we left one male in the bag because there were originally 2. So, and the total number of puppies in the bag is no longer 6. It is now 5 because 1 is already removed. That after picking a male and the possibility of picking another female, the females have not been interfered with. So we still have 4 females, but the sum has changed from 6 to 5, and that is it. After picking a female first time, the males have not been affected, so we still have 2, but the sum has been interfered with. But after picking a female, we have left 3 female in the bag because 1 is already out, and also the total is interfered with. We have 5 sum of puppies in the bag. That is part A of the question. Part B of the question, we are being asked to find what is the probability that a vet removes 2 males. So the probability of removing a male and another male, or followed by another male. You have to have a male and another male. You have to follow this route. That route means, and we said anytime you are going horizontal along the tree diagram, it is the word and that is highlighted, and we should substitute that with multiplication. So we should have 2 over 6 times 1 over 5, which is basically 2 out of 30 and can be simplified to 1 out of 15. And that is just like it. This is part A, B part A, B part 1. What about B part 2? B part 2. What is the probability that the vet removes one male and one female? There is no order, please note. The probability of picking a male and a female, or we can have to start this time with a female followed by a male. The probability of one male and one female, there is no order. We have not been specified which one should come first. So so long as at the end of the day, after both pickings, we will have one male and one female. That means what? We can follow this route, which is male, female, or female, male, any one of them. And male, female is 2 out of 6 times 4 out of 5, as you can see through this route. This is the route male, female. We can also have female, male, this route, which is an alternative, meaning or, this or is plus 4 out of 6 followed by another male, 2 out of 5. And as you can see here, we are having 8 out of 30 plus 8 out of 30, which is 16 out of 30, which is basically divided by 2, 8. Divide everything by 2, and we have 8 out of 15. And that is the answer to part B, part 2 of that question. 8 out of 15. Please follow me and let us meet in the next video. Subscribe and of course share widely. Thank you.